Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be telling you the 5 important things that you should know before buying DJI Mini 2 in India. So without wasting much of the time, let's quickly get into the video. First one is the obstacle sensor. So on DJI Mini 2, we don't get any obstacle sensors on the front side as well as in the back side. So the only sensors that we get on the DJI Mini 2 is at the bottom, and this is used for the landing purpose. So overall, we don't have any sensors for detecting the obstacles. So if you are buying the drone for the first time and the DJI Mini 2 is your first drone, then you should be very careful while flying your drone, because it's not going to stop automatically if there is any object in front of the drone or backside the drone. So make sure you're aware about these things. Second point is the height restriction. So as we all know that in India, for the nano drones, we have the 15 meters of limit. So basically for DJI Mini 1, Mini 2 and SC does not fly more than 15 meters in India. So once you buy this drone, that is Mini 1 or Mini 2, so you have to purchase the Dronehacks license, or you have to rely on litchi or Rainbow application to fly this drone more than 15 meters. So this is the noted point that you should make sure you should know it before purchasing the drone. I have got many comments and DMs on Instagram that they don't know about the 15 meters limit before buying the drone. Once they brought the drone in India, they got to know that there is a 15 meters limit and they have to follow some process to bypass this 15 meters. So you should know these things before buying the drone. Third point is the sensor size. So this nano drone comes with a small sensor of 1 by 1.3 inches of CMOS sensor. So this sensor is less capable of capturing light in the low light. So this is not the perfect drone for doing a night photography or videography. So it gives more grains in the night video and photos. So if you are the person who wants to take photos and videos at the night, then you should go with the Air 2 or Air 2s. I'm not saying that this is not at all good for the night. It gives a bit okay kind of video quality and photos for the night, but it will not give you the excellent or perfect output at the night. So this thing you should know before buying the drone, but it is very excellent and perfect for the daylight photography and videography. Fourth point is the drone registration and the pilot license required to fly this drone. So guys, to fly this nano drone, we does not require any pilot license in India. As this drone comes under nano category, that means it is less than 250 grams. It does not require any pilot license to have before taking off or flying this drone in India. But you should make sure, whether it is a nano drone or micro drone, you should make sure that you are registering it on the Digital Sky website. Every drone should be registered in India to make it legal. But currently, Digital Sky is not accepting any drone registrations on the Digital Sky website. So stay tuned with the channel guys. As soon as the Digital Sky starts accepting the drone registrations and the site is open, we'll let you know on this channel and we'll keep you updated regarding the drone registrations. So I hope here you got clear that we does not need any pilot license to fly this nano drone, and the only necessary thing is we need to register our drone on the Digital Sky. So this point you should know before purchasing any drone in India. Fifth point is the type of memory card that you should use in this DJI Mini 2. So we all know that a DJI Mini 2 is capable of shooting 4K video at 30 FPS. So and it also has the 100 megabytes of recording speed. So for that purpose, we need to use a high read and write speed memory card in this drone. So I suggest you guys to use 100 megabytes of speed memory card in this drone. Suppose if you guys are using a low speed memory card in this drone, for an example, if you're using a 48 megabytes of memory card in this drone and you are shooting a video, so when you start the video, after 8 or 10 seconds, it will be auto terminated or auto stopped. So this happens at every video that you shoot. So you'll not be able to capture a more duration video, like you'll not be able to exceed more than 10 seconds of video. So for that reason, I suggest you guys to use a high speed memory card on this drone. So for your reference, I'll be adding few memory card links in the description that suits very good on this DJI Mini 2. So this you should know before or after buying the drone, because it's very necessary and people think that there is some issue with the drone. In fact, it is an issue with the memory card. So guys, these were the points that I wanted to cover in this video. If you guys feel that there is any necessary point that needs to be known by your friends or the person who is purchasing the DJI Mini2, please feel free to comment below so that everyone knows about the DJI Mini2 and the necessary things they should know before purchasing the DJI Mini2. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.